Away swing. First up. Ezekiel. Gone for the big shot straight away. Gets a top edge and gets a boundary to open his account.
Not fully in control of that shot. There was space, there was bounce. Wanted to pull it, takes the top edge. But it's counted as 4 runs. That's the most important.
Yeah, you can. Picked up sweetly. Just clears the fielder in that mid-on position. He'll get 4. Another boundary for Ezekiel.
Good positive cricket. The intention is to go for runs. Came off the toe edge of the bat. It was not fully middled, but still enough legs to clear that in a circle. Runs away for 4 runs.
Enough bat. Just splices this one behind point. It finds the gap. He has a clear role and he's playing with a plan. He is the aggressor in this opening partnership. Getting the innings off to a flyer.
Stays quite low and throws his hands to the ball. Quick hands there. Still not full in control, but effective. Very effective in the power play.
High risk. There he goes again. More of the middle of the bat. Fielders giving chase, but they can't catch it. 3 4s in a row to end the second. 18 without loss.
That's how you play to your role. Fearless cricket here, and he's taking the attack to one of the best bowlers in the opposition. That definitely puts doubt in the opposition mind. Good positive batting there.
Beg your pardon, Raiders. More timing than anything else. That's what we've seen from Habibullah. Very different to Ezekiel. Just pass that fielder in short, fine leg. This is good going, scoring on both sides of the wicket. Trouble here for this Mardan team.
There was a change in field because of the last shot to cover. Fine leg comes in and then he strays down the leg side. Not good bowling there, but good awareness with the bat. All he had to do was touch the bat with the ball, and there were 4 runs on offer.
There he goes again. Should be taken, and it is taken. So we talk about high risk when you're so ultra aggressive in your approach. He pays the heavy price and loses his wicket. First wicket down for the Rawalpindi.
He was lucky in the last over. Attempted a similar shot, went for 4 to third. Not this time. The ball got big on him. Went up in the air and a very good catch. Running backwards. Safe hands of Hasib Khan. Abidullah gets the first breakthrough. Isa Khail has to walk back for 16. Rawalpindi Raiders 25 for 1.
Ali Haider making the call. One of the 2 presiding umpires. Up and away. Was in the slot. There was width on this one. All he had to do was sink that back leg, get under it. Found the right elevation. Produces 4 for his team.
Habibullah showing what he can do. You can see his approach a bit cautious, but on a free hit, he opens up his arms, connects well for 4 runs.
And lines. Good fielding. Rates of 100 stop. You look at the best.
They continue with Emil Khan now from the pavilion end. quiet the batter up. They are going for an appeal. They look very confident. Seems like they are going for the review.
Wahaj the batter on strike. There was a hint of away movement. He was flicking across the line. Didn't make contact.
It does look like there was a deflection. You can see the seam moving, but we'll see what the third umpire thinks.
No conclusive evidence to suggest that there was an outside edge. Last ball of the over. Gone short. And just sufficient bat to evade that fielder in first slip. Unfortunate for Amal. Concedes 4 after 5:37 for 1.
What a catch! That is a magnificent snare. Oh, I could watch this over 5 times.
You gave me a heart attack.
Well, why not? Have a look at this.
Brilliant. That's a good catch. I think the second one that by a keeper who liked one yesterday and one this. He was having more weight on his left foot and suddenly improvised and dived, and the timing was so right about that dive. They need to pull off such catches in order to win this match. They're defending a low total here.
Habibullah gone for 15. Rawalpindi 37 for 2.
9 dots for Wahaj. He's probably thinking, how do I find a single here? There, just like that. A single ends the power play. 40 for 2, Rawalpindi Raiders.